That's right, open house, October 26th and 27th, from 10 to 12 each day. All right, we look forward to seeing you. All right, I got the fresh blues ready to go. Time to do a little bit of work around the building.
Can I help you, Mr. Brownlee?
Just getting ready for open house, Miss Gina.
Ooh, baby, lunch has settled in. I'll be right back. I got a little meeting. Oh, nice. Mrs. Davis isn't here. Woo.
Hey, Mr. McGinney!
Oh, jeepers, Brownlee, you'll do anything to get ready for open house.
All right, one down, 699 to go. All right, we're getting this office cleaned up a little bit. Corner over here. Top of the table.
He does know that's not plugged in right.
Woo! Hey, don't bother. Let's get ready for open house here.
Oh, it must be time for open house.
Oh, missed a spot. There we go.